Hi, I'm Charles Chan.
I'm TV Raman, and this is Hubble Labrador, the web famous dog. And together we are here today to introduce project EyesFree for Android. The EyesFree project is basically building a collection of applications that turn your Android phone into what I like to think of as a completely eyes-free, single-touch, one-handed communication device. Now that's a lot of buzzwords, you might say. It's true. There's a lot hiding under there. So our goal is to basically use the phone without necessarily having to look at it. And that actually serves you in a lot of situations, including driving, jogging, you're walking along, doing whatever, or maybe you cannot see. But in all of those situations, you want to be able to use this device effectively without looking at the screen. Also, remember in all the situations that you're likely to use the phone, very often one of your hands, if not both, are likely to be busy. And so I really wanted to design an interface where you could use the device with one hand. You'll see a lot of this cool stuff in the next series of videos that follow this. As an introduction here, we're just pulling it all together in this brief summary. So the EyesFree project consists of a text-to-speech layer that talks. And for the non-engineers among you, you can just think of that as the thing that makes all of this stuff talk. For the engineers among you, that's a very simple open source API that allows you to write applications that talk. Then we have a collection of applications that allow you to use the phone in an eyes-free manner, so they all talk. Many of these are written by us, but this is an open source platform, and there are many talking applications out there already written by the developer community. And finally, there is the Marvin shell, named Marvin in honor of the famous paranoid android from Douglas Adams' Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. So in our case, Marvin says, size of the planet, but you want me to just make phone calls. So that's a parody on what Marvin in the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy says, where he talks about how he has a brain the size of a planet and doesn't have any job satisfaction. So the Marvin shell actually is a simplified home screen for doing EyesFree interaction. It has a collection of many applications that allow single-touch access to useful information. Again, you'll see all this in a while. And Charles can tell you a bit more about some of the features he likes.
Yes, in addition to being able to launch many applications that tell you things like the date or your current location, it also has the ability to launch any standard Android application, either by going through the applications menu, which lists all the applications you have installed, or by going to shortcuts, which provides you with very easy, very quick one-stroke access to your favorite applications.
So we'll cover a lot of this in this series of videos. Hope you'll be able to join us for the rest of them. Until then, from me, Charles, and Hubble,